What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be trying out this new hair product on my son's hair and my hair. His hair type is the same as mine, so I'm always trying to find hair care products that works for both of us and not have like a million hair products underneath my counter. So today I'll be trying out Donna's recipe. I did purchase her hair mousse, I purchased her hair oil, I purchased her shampoo and conditioner. I also purchased her hair and scalp oil, and I purchased her creamy hair and scalp oil, and I purchased her creamy hair cream. So in today's video I will be trying out her creamy hair cream, which is this product right here that I am showing on screen. I love finding products that are chemical free, and her line is exclusively vegan and clean ingredients. Yeah, so I went ahead and I shampooed my son's hair.
Cut.
How does it smell?
No.
Smell good?
Yeah.
Or bad?
Oh, this is hair.
Yeah, it's for your hair. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Trying Donna's recipe and True's hair for the first time. Let's see what it looks like. What it feels like. How does it feel, baby?
I'm feeling hair.
It feels good or bad?
Bad.
It feels bad?
Yeah.
Okay. How does it smell? It smells good?
Yeah?
It smells yummy?
Yummy.
Okay, good.
And then I can't eat it. I can't eat it. Can't eat it.
I usually air dry his hair, and then I
Yeah?
apply a hair cream,
Yep.
usually like a leave-in conditioner. So in this video I will be using the extra creamy hair cream as his leave-in conditioner. So I go ahead and I apply it, I brush through his hair, and then I braid down his hair and I allow it to air dry. And this is his reaction while I'm using the product.
My AirPod.
Playing with iPad?
Yeah?
Okay. There you have it, folks.
Hi, folks.
So for True's review of the products is bad because he can't eat it, okay? But he said it does smell good and it did make his hair feel very soft. So in this section of the video, I am going ahead and I'm applying this extra creamy hair cream to my hair. I also follow the same steps. Here I am trying it out to see if my curls could pop a little bit. Well, yeah, my hair type don't really have curls. I have coils. Yeah, so even if I apply a lot of gel, a lot of cream, it doesn't matter. I just have some coils. So what I do is I apply products and I twist my hair, and it gives me a really nice twist out. I am going to show you what my twist out look like utilizing this Donna recipe extra creamy hair cream. So one of our most popular line is the sweet potato pie line, where these ingredients contain sweet potato and all natural clean ingredients and vegan friendly products because she is a vegan. The products smell really good. It has a really nice consistency, and the price point is actually pretty good. She usually has sales on her website. Currently she's having like this bundle of her products. You could also wait, Black Friday, she has deals. If it's her birthday, she has deals, which I love. So I wait until the products have a sale and then I purchase the products. This is not a sponsored video by any means. I did purchase these products with my hard-earned cash, and I'm leaving my honest review. I really do like how this product feels, and this is how my twist out turned out. I will definitely be buying this product over and over again. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments down below if you've ever tried out any of her products, or let me know what are some of your favorite products. Bye.